Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you are all fine and good. So dear viewers, today you will see in this video, lovely viewer, you will see in this video's modern and stylish unique pop with bangs, haircuts, ideas. Very attractive and very stylish, modern, long layers and short layers, unique short bob with bangs, haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas in 2023. So lovely viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos. And you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. You will see stylish and attractive bob with bangs, haircuts designs, long layers and short layers, unique haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. Lovely viewers, do you have new ideas of unique haircuts designs? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my videos. So I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Marvelous and stylish, unique, beautiful haircuts designs, front, back and sided pose, modern bob haircuts, long layers and short layers, unique haircuts designs. So lovely viewers, watch my full videos and enjoy all attractive haircuts designs, front, back and sided pose, modern bob haircuts ideas. Lovely viewers, watch my full videos and share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. Dear viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish haircuts designs. So there's a huge variety of designs in these videos. These are all my favorite collections. Lovely viewer, you will see in these videos modern and stylish, unique bob haircuts designs. Lovely viewers, watch my full videos and share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish haircuts designs, front, back and sided pose, modern bob haircuts ideas. So lovely viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers downloaded my videos and you like this one unique haircuts design, so take